Hey everyone, and welcome. Before we start, we have a discussional purpose only. You're very welcome to follow any of our automated signal. As long as you are on a sim, we're not responsible for your trades. We're not your financial advisor either. So whatever you do is at your own risk. We have one news at 10:15, and we will see what happened. For the guys are auto trading at this moment and taking a long trade, you gotta watch out a little bit for those resistant level, which it is at 40.36, 40.36. So um, as we see here, the market was down and then turning around, and we are on a long trade. That's very fine. But this area here, if you are trading the Nasdaq, you gotta watch out for this area here. We have on the Nasdaq 12043, followed by 12058, and then we have 4037, and then this is the line. Anything below that number is short, anything above that number is long. So we have a resistance at 40.40. So I don't know if this news now coming at 10:15 is gonna change the situation in the trades, but we will see. We have few coming at actually at 10:15. So in 15 minutes we see the results. On the Nasdaq, when you see this chart blinking, that means there is a lot of buyers coming in. The high time frame is up, the target is up, the momentum is getting stronger, and it seems like we are about, this is the performance on those charts is only waiting on this number here, 40 41 25, 40 41 25. If we break the 40 41 25, we are climbing today to the 40.60. This is a really important. If this market not able to break the 40.41, okay, good. We have some people scalping the market. It's very good. Uh, okay, that's very good. You're scalping the market. That's good. All right, so look, here is the first bumper, 40.37. I desperately want to see this ES crossing the 40.41. Desperately. Because if this ES is not able, there is a big mess. If this market pulling back, there is a huge mess. And I don't want it to generate any new trades below the 12.025, and the same thing apply for the ES. I don't want it to go below the 40.28, because then we're gonna have some really bumpy ride today on the trade. So what it is right now, those two charts performance is all up to this ES. If it's going to break the 40.42 or 40.41, it doesn't matter. It is desperately, we need these numbers. Desperately. We need to break those numbers. If we're not, okay, the Autotrader closed that trade on the ES. Maybe it was wise to do that, and probably the Nasdaq is gonna follow the ES and is going to close automatically. That's fine. That's fair enough. There is around 3,500 on the Nasdaq, so that's okay, clear enough. So we will need to do not allow do not allow any type of an auto trade at this moment to go long, neither short. You need to wait a little bit in order for us to cross the 40, 41, and then we are on very open chart. And here there is a lot of mess. Now this auto trade taking a short trade, I'm not sure this short trade is valid. So what we do, close it by itself. That's very good because I'm not happy with this short trade at all at this moment. And that's fine if it closed. To our members on the micro strategy, we made 3 templates yesterday, and is already hit the $1,000 on the 6 range, and it is those are the trades, and it was trading one trade, one contract, one contract, one contract, one contract, and it nailed 1,000 at the daily target on this new Autotrader micro strategy. So it's doing very well. Everyone is doing well on this auto trade. You see what I'm saying here? A lot of problems right now on the ES, because when you see things like this, we can pose that trade. We can pose for the auto trade not to take any trade at this moment, because this can suck all your profits away. The market is really struggling to break that line, and we have right now it's 10:06. We have the results at 10:15, so we can determine what to do. Here, please do not take short. Do not take short. Do not allow your auto trade to take short or long at this moment. Like what I have done, I posed the auto trade not to take in any more trades at this moment. We have a news, and a plus, the market is not really inviting for the short at this moment. It's really crappy market at this moment. We have on the ES a very heavy support at 40.14. Maybe I will consider taking the 40.14 as a pullback re-entry. The news is coming within 7 minutes, and then we can decide what to do on those trades. The Nasdaq is finished at 2,300. A couple minutes ago had 3,500. We did not close it. We did not override the auto trade. We let it be. It closed at 2,300. That's very fine. I'm not happy with the ES taking short at all. There is a heavy support area at the 40.16 at this moment. We will see what happens, and then we will unleash the auto trade one more time. But for now, I prefer to wait on the ES. We still have it's 10:08. We have a major news at 10:15. Once it's finished, we can unleash the auto trade to resume trading. As you see, guys, this is the line and this is the number. It's automatic. You don't have to draw this line. And as I said, anything below that number stays on short, but there is no short at this moment. I don't want it to take. And it's very important to break this area to start going to the long side. So the market is really tight. How you trade between those two lines? You don't trade between those lines. You do not trade when you see those lines. This area is not tradable at all. Whether you are a manual trading, automated trading, This area you should not be messing with, and you should be staying away from the market. If this market decide to drop, it will be only to the 40.15, 40.15, and it's going to hold in this area. So, in another word, the resistance is 40.39 and the support is 40.14, and the ES has jammed between those two. So, we have a few traders just send me messages. They are scalping. This is very good. If you know what you're doing, you're scalping. But at this moment, for swing trading, there is no swing trading at this moment. And the swing trading, this is where the money come from. The swing trading, not the scalping. Scalping is $150. Swing trading can go unlimited sometimes, depends on the market movement. So the market is dropping to the support area, heavy support area at 40.15, and we will see what happened. There is still 5 minutes for the news, and then we can decide what will happen. This is a very risky area to take anything at this moment. We have to wait this 5 minutes, get the news out of the way, doesn't matter, and then we can go back to the technical side. It is overwhelming. If we look at the 1 minute picture, we can see the ES has been flirting between 4039 and the support 4014. And you can see it's been running non-stop between very good, 600 up on the scalping. That's very good, Vito. So, and the market, you can see it here. If we look back a little bit and zoom out a little bit, we can see this ES from early this morning has not done anything, and got stuck in that channel here. This is a really important to see your lines, your limits here, and we can see there is not much going on the ES. Is staying between the 40.40 and the 40.15, and we are messing with this area only. So we need to see some breakout either above the 40.39, or I doubt it very seriously we are able to break all those support area. But now the news, there is 3 minutes for the news, and then we can decide which direction this market going, and then we can take go forward with the trading. So please be careful on this next 5 minutes, and then we will see. So I'm gonna stay quiet the next 5 minutes to see how the ES is going to move after this news. one more minute, and then we find out where we're going with this market. Okay, there is no impact. Please wait till we get out of this hole here. Please wait. Wait till we get out of this area here. The market extremely mixed. Please be careful. The ES is not moving, so please be careful and extremely tight. The market not trending, and you should not mess with the market. If we look at the ES, it's not moving. Please don't fall into this trap. This is where you need to stop, hold. Maybe in 5 minutes, things can move, but you should not be activating any auto trades at this moment, or you should not allow your auto trade to take any trade at this moment, please. The market is not trending. When the market not trending, that means there is no money to be made. This is not money to be made. Where the tick's gonna come from? So be careful, please. I'll keep my eye on it, and hopefully we can see some The market is pointing short, but there is no short at this moment. Look at all the support area here, and this is not inviting to take short. Please do not fall into this trap. Not yet. It's very early, and there is a heavy support area here. Do not allow an auto trade to take short at this moment. You're not going to be missing anything in that. Beside everything is indicating this, the sellers over the buyers and the market pointing down, but there is weakness. It's not strong enough to break all those area. And if you just unleash your auto trade to take short, it might fire back at you because this is weak short. It's not strong short, and that is going to be a problem for you. You don't want to be in a bad mood over a losing trade. So stay on the side. It will be much better if you stay on the side, please. You see what I'm saying? So the EA is trying to find an exit from that channel here. It's overwhelming. Very thick resistance and very thick support. And the EA is sitting inside that lock and cannot move. And that is 90% of amateur trading. They do not see this. And then when they are auto trading, they don't make money. And they think there is something wrong with auto trade. Is far from the truth. It is the ES not moving. When the ES not moving, you're not making money. The Nasdaq is much better, yes. The Nasdaq, but also there is an impact if the, let me, let's take the Nasdaq chart. The Nasdaq, yes, is wide open and most likely will hit the 120.83. Okay, but the problem is with the Nasdaq, when the ES comes to hard area, the Nasdaq stand by. So if the ES break it, then there is a potential for on that trade to go 5,000, maybe more, because it's a wild open. If the ES not able to break this area, you're gonna start losing money. As an example, this is the same chart we were using, and there is a trade, and you can see how this market going up, and now it is flat right there. But the decision is not making, we're not making a decision from here, from the auto trade. We are making a decision from the 1 minute, and the market, if we look at the buyers and the sellers, they're almost even, and the market is not going anywhere. The market is not going anywhere, and we need much stronger momentum, and we need the ES to break the 4039. Then we are on to the next level, 4061, and that is a very good movement. So we are still struggling to break those resistance, and by the time this ES hit the 4040, the 12084, we will hit it with the Nasdaq. They are working together, you can see that. So we need to break that number here desperately, and then the market will be on a smooth ride to the long side only. So maybe it's retesting at this moment, and we'll see, but there is no strong trend at this moment either to the long side. We are sitting sideways. You know, those one of those days you have to be very careful how you are trading. You can see that the auto trades, they're not making money actually. They're sitting on the same numbers, and now they're gonna start going less with the profit, and now they start going down, and they're not generating any money anymore, and because of the market movement. We'll see. It's a hard day for a guy don't see the 1 minute. He's gonna have a hard time today. It's going short. It's not gonna go anywhere with the short. It's not gonna go anywhere with that short. You can see it's closing immediately. It did not work. And this one here, closing immediately. There is nothing. I'm gonna stay quiet a little bit. There is nothing to say actually. The market is sideways, and I'm going to just kill the microphone and waiting for some kind of breakout. Thank you. We still don't have a short trade, guys. We do not have a short trade. We do not have a long trade. The market is sideways, and don't turn on your auto trade, please. Do not turn on your auto trade. It's wasting time. Do not. The market has been all morning on the channel here and has not done any movement. When you don't have any movement, you don't make money. So please be careful and do not activate anything. Sit on the side is the best way, please. Don't fall to this trap. There is no short, there is no long. I strongly recommend today, do not auto trade, do not do anything today to the market, please. Not at this moment. A little movement on the Nasdaq, but this is nothing. Is going back. The market for many hours got stuck in this channel here, and there is no trade today. Sorry to hear that. But the market, again, guys, look at this, is between the resistance and the support, resistance, support, resistance, support. This is not a place you can make money. This is a place you lose money. It is the market condition. Do not question your talent with your trading or anything like this, but this is not acceptable to make money in here. You cannot make money in there. Your auto trade go long, then the market turn around. Your auto trade takes short, the market turn around. And you can lose a lot of money. If we notice, it was very flat from early this morning, a little snipe here, and then from 8:30 this morning until now, The market not moving. It's just going sideways between support and resistance. And this is not tradable at all. So it doesn't matter if you are using our auto trade or somebody else auto trade. Today is not your lucky day auto trading, period. You might get lucky with a couple of trades here and there, but this is not even good for manual trading either. So folks, what we are going to do, we're gonna call it off for today. There is no trades. And the market, this is a bad news because this is only losing trades. Whether you are manual or you are auto trading, there is nothing in here to grab. Welcome to trading. If you cannot accept that, you should not be trading then. But this is not a trending market to make money. When the market don't trend, you don't make money, you lose money. And we're gonna call it off for today. And I don't want to encourage anyone to take a trades. And this is, if you can live without taking any trades today, maybe in the afternoon things will change. But from now to 12 o'clock, you should not be taking any trades because this is only gonna cost you a lot of money by losing a lot of trades in here. Welcome to trading. Sometimes it's gonna happen and there is nothing can be done. Okay, and just today is not the right day to take a trades. When the market is trending, then is a different approach. But now today, I mean, if you can stay out of it, please stay out of it. I want to say thank you very much. I don't want to encourage anyone to take any trades. The market analyzer is in a big mess. The market is not moving. It goes couple bars down and couple bars up. This has cost a lot of money and losses. And you should not be trading. You should be on the side. I want to say thank you very much for today. And please be careful. This is not a pretty day to make money. Okay? Bye for now.